Is a SteelMaster building worth it? Everyone's got an opinion. But when the facts match up, we cut through the noise. When you're spending money on a building, you shouldn't have to guess. A SteelMaster building is a real investment. When you choose steel, say goodbye to rotting, warping, or flimsy materials that don't hold up. It's built to stand up to severe weather conditions, year-round, no matter the season. A steel building is more cost-effective than traditional buildings. It's low maintenance, so no extra money spent on repairs or upkeep. They're also versatile, so you got options. Garage, workshop, storage, home, you name it. You have the freedom to make it your own, so is it worth it? You decide. Thousands of customers worldwide think so. Will you do the same?